For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook and beads. Begin the work by making a chain. Chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make treble crochet, not finish. 1, 2. Then double crochet into the same stitch, not finish, and treble crochet into the same stitch, not finish. And make double treble crochet stitch, not finish, into the same chain stitch. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. The base for the small flower is ready. I turn the work to the back side. I am making single crochet. Turn the work. Make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue working with the opposite side. 7 single crochet into the opposite stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue work with the opposite side. Insert the hook into the treble crochet. Let's stop and look. I'm going to work by spiral direction, then in backwards direction. Work with double treble crochet stitch. Make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn the work and 7 single crochet into the opposite stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have the last center stitch. Make 5 single crochet. Turn the work one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before we continue, we stop and look what we have. Then I'm going to work in backwards direction. Время 6:28. We continue the work. Make a chain. Make 5 single crochet in row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 single crochet in row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 6 single crochet in row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's stop and look what we have done. The center of the flower is made. Let's begin making petals. For this, insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet, then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook by working with a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, then insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet by working a slip stitch. This is the fourth one. The first petal is ready. Then single crochet, then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into the second chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. The second petal is done. Then single crochet into the next stitch, chain of 4, work a slip stitch into the second chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have done 3 petals. In total it should be 15 of them. We need to do 12 petals. I have done 15 petals of the flower. Here what we have. This is front side. And let's take a look at the back side. You can use it as a pendant or for earring. Continue the work. We need to do transition from the one segment to the second one. I will work with this top stitch. This is the single crochet. Now insert the hook into the single crochet. By working single crochet. Then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make triple treble crochet stitch into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's begin the next flower. Then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook twice and treble crochet knot finish into the top of the stitches. Then yarn over the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, insert the hook into 2 loops, take the working yarn, pull it through and through the bead and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over the hook twice, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, 1 and 2, and make double treble crochet stitch, knot finish. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. The base for the next flower is ready. I turn the work. I am making single crochet. I'm going to make by spiral direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seven single crochet into the opposite stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Seven single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Let's stop and look what we have. I don't work with double crochet with bead. The central The central part is almost ready. Then I'm going to work in backwards direction. Firstly by spiral direction, then in backwards direction. 7 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then single crochet, chain of 4, then slip stitch into the second chain stitch away from the hook, one, two, three, and the fourth one. The first petal is done, so continue working in this way till the end of this round. Today we have learned how to make beautiful floral cord with beads. Let's take a look at the back side. The transition visible on the back side. The length of the cord you determine by yourself. You can use it as a bracelet, necklace, belt, and a one flower you can use to create earring, pendant, and other accessories. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.